April 10th, 2026. We've been having a really interesting sky day. Perfect temperature today. Beautiful sky. Oops, as soon as I get near the sun, camera goes blurry. So I was thinking about how the Masons use the symbol of the compass and the square. And then Leonardo da Vinci had the Vitruvian Man, right? He's inside a square and a circle. So it's a squaring of the circle magic ritual. So from what I'm learning is it's a controlled leak, but they change us from globe Earth to flat Earth about every 500 years. They want us to believe anything but what the world really is. Nikola Tesla said Earth is not a planet, it's a realm. So if we're just in some type of a realm where our thoughts show up on the green screen of life, it wouldn't be round or flat. But they want you to believe in one or the other. And then they also use it as a division tool, right? The flat earthers against the globe earthers. As long as you believe one or the other, they're fine. But the trick is that this world is some kind of a dream world, some kind of a, where we're seeing our thoughts on the green screen of life. Since God is spirit and God is life, we're the children of light. The Bible says God is light. So we could be experiencing some type of a holodeck type of a life. I wouldn't be surprised. I just research everything. But it's interesting, and I think we're going through a reset where they're changing the narrative from globe to flat earth. We're experiencing that, which it's happened many times before. There's a YouTube video about this. It's called Rise of the Phoenix, and the YouTube channel is called Chiron Last, CHIRON LAST. I just shared his video in my post section. It has a phoenix bird rising from the ashes. So it's interesting that Phoenix is phone X, and we dial 911, right? So Phoenix, if you rearrange it, looks like it says phone 9. So in Roman numerals, the 9 is a 1, then an X. So it's like a code. Phoenix is like a code for phone 911 or phone X. So the phoenix that rises from the ashes, and then it's reborn, resurrected. I think that's why they say we're going through a great reset. Everything's about to be changed. And these lands and continents could be a type of phoenix about to go through a symbolic or maybe literal burning down. And then, you know how they're always saying build back better, right? For the so-called New World Order. So we'll see. I just like to look into all of these things. We could be going through a controlled shifting from globe Earth to flat Earth. And these things that NASA's doing, you know, NASA in Hebrew literally means deception. You could look it up. And NASA uses the red serpent tongue in their logo. So it's like we've been fooled this whole time, you know, watching all their CGI and fake stuff on TV. Tell lie vision. Tell lies to your vision. So it's almost like we've just been programmed to believe everything we see on the black scrying box, the tell lie vision or television. Tell lies to your vision. So anyway, we should question everything. Most important of all, I like to look at the work of Nisargadatta Maharaj. I am that. And he says this life is also a dream that we need to wake up from. It's like the prodigal son story in the Bible. That story has a happy ending. So there's a happy ending in store for all of us prodigals, prodigal children. And A Course in Miracles says, nothing has happened at all, but you have put yourself into a deep sleep. And now it's time to wake up. You can't separate from your source, but you can dream that you have. Like Alice woke up from the dream. Dorothy woke up from the dream. So those books are stories to help us to awaken.